Hello, I just want to make a quick video here, and before I get into the topic, I want to say thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I know for a lot of people that might not mean much, but to me it does. It means a lot, and I would like to say thank you by doing a Q&A in my next video. So any questions you might have, throw them in the comments below. The questions can be anything. If you just want to ask some questions about me, my past, anything about my DPDO recovery, on lifestyle, nutrition, exercise, just shoot them below and I will try and get back to everyone's question. So let's just go into what this video is about. I wanted to make a video on acceptance, okay? If dealing with DPDO, I know it's a very hard thing to accept. For me, it crushed my ego when I realized that I was dealing with this anxiety disorder. I never dealt with anything like that before, and here I was just terrified in my own skin. And a huge part of my recovery was accepting it, and it's not an easy thing to accept. But I did get a great piece of advice from one of my therapists, and what she said was, Stephen, it's not your fault. You did not choose this. Your nervous system chose it. Okay, so DPDO or anxiety, whatever it might be, that's your nervous system going into protective mode. It could be flight-fight response, which is like the high anxiety, panic, or the freeze response, which is shutdown. These are all survival instincts that we have hardwired into our nervous system, our autonomic nervous system. Now that system controls your digestion. Without you thinking about it, you're digesting food. Your nervous system is also regulating your blood pressure, your body temperature. It's doing all these things out of your control. And it was that same system that chose to go into the freeze state or put you into a state of high anxiety. You did not choose it. Okay, so don't hold you responsible. It's not your fault. Life circumstances caused it that made your nervous system feel it was under threat, and it chose that thinking this was the right and the best option for your survival. That's all it was. So it's not your fault. Move on and focus on your recovery. Dial in the DRESS protocol that I talk about in my videos. I'll leave a link in the description. So diet, rest, exercise, stress reduction, and supplements. Dial in the DRESS protocol. Find a good therapist that you can work with the lifestyle as well. So if you're dealing with DPDO, look into somatic experiencing therapy because they do specialize in it, or just find a good therapist that understands the freeze state. There's also the Linden method. I've talked about it in quite a few of my videos. I highly recommend it. I think they're doing great work. They do have professional therapists on call 24/7 to help you out. But yeah, you can get through this. Stop blaming yourself and just go easy on yourself, okay? Move on, focus on your recovery, accept you got DPDO. It was out of your control. You did not choose this, all right? Talk soon, guys. Hopefully that helps, and do put your questions below for the Q&A in my next video. Cheers. Chat soon.